Hey guys, today I'm going to make a hot latte using the EarlyBird Hazelnut Espresso Martini morning cocktail. So first I'm going to make my espresso. I'm going to just do 2 ounces of hot water and a scoop of EarlyBird, and that will be my espresso base. Scoop. I'm gonna shake it up. It's almost be like a little instant coffee. Okay, got that nice and shaken up. And add the espresso to my mug. It smells really good. Okay, then I'm gonna add just a little bit of vanilla to give it some flavor. Just gonna do like a little bit of about 1/8 of a teaspoon, a little more. Give it a vanilla flavor. And then I don't have a steamer for milk, so I microwave milk. Quickest little recipe I had. I'm going to froth it a little bit with my mixer here. And I used almond milk, doing everything as unsweet as possible so we can stay low on sugar. So I'm gonna add that foamy milk to my espresso. Perfect. And there you have it. Hazelnut Espresso Martini, hot latte at home. See a little foam on top. Let's try it. Oh, that is very good. I like this. This is gonna be perfect for any cold days, or if you're just a hot coffee type of person, this is great. There you have it.